How Islam influenced the development of mathematics and science. The modern world as we know it owes much to the contributions of Islamic civilization in the fields of science and mathematics. While Europe was going through the Dark Ages, the Islamic world experienced a golden age of knowledge, technology, and philosophy. Muslim scholars did not just preserve the works of the Greeks and Persians, they expanded upon them with their own discoveries and innovations. From algebra to optics, from astronomy to medicine, Islam played a crucial role in shaping the foundation of modern science. The intellectual achievements of Muslim scholars continue to influence our daily lives in ways we often take for granted. But how exactly did Islam contribute to the advancement of mathematics and science? What made Muslim scholars excel in these fields? Let's dive deeper into this fascinating history. Part 1. Islam's emphasis on knowledge. Islam is not just a religion. It is a civilization that strongly emphasizes the pursuit of knowledge. The Quran repeatedly encourages people to observe, think, and seek understanding of the universe. One of the most quoted verses in this context is, "Say, are those who know equal to those who do not know?" Quran 39:9. Additionally, Prophet Muhammad emphasized the importance of knowledge by saying, "Seeking knowledge is an obligation upon every Muslim." Hadith, Ibn Majah. This strong encouragement led to a culture where scholars and scientists were highly respected. During the Abbasid Caliphate, rulers such as Harun al-Rashid and his son al-Mamun established Beit al-Hikmah, the House of Wisdom in Baghdad, a great center of learning where scholars from different backgrounds gathered to translate, study, and expand upon various fields of knowledge. This intellectual atmosphere provided the foundation for remarkable advancements in mathematics and science. Part 2. Islam's contributions to mathematics. One of the most significant contributions of Islamic civilization to mathematics was the development of algebra. The 9th century scholar Al-Khwarizmi wrote Al-Kitab al-Mukhtasar fi Hisab al-Jabr wal-Muqabala, which laid the foundation for algebra as we know it today. In fact, the word algebra comes from the Arabic term al-Jabr, meaning restoration or reunion of broken parts. Al-Khwarizmi also introduced the concept of algorithms, a term derived from his name. Algorithms are now a fundamental part of computer science, shaping modern technology in ways unimaginable in his time. Furthermore, the Hindu-Arabic numeral system, which was refined and spread by Muslim scholars, eventually replaced the cumbersome Roman numeral system in Europe. This advancement made calculations much more efficient, revolutionizing fields like trade, astronomy, and engineering. Islamic mathematicians also made great progress in geometry and trigonometry. Al-Battani refined trigonometric concepts, introducing sine, cosine, and tangent functions that are essential in physics, architecture, and modern engineering. Part 3. Scientific advancements in the Islamic world. Muslim scholars did not just preserve ancient knowledge, they built upon it, making groundbreaking discoveries that shaped the world. In astronomy, Al-Battani accurately calculated the movements of planets and refined the length of the solar year. His work laid the foundation for later discoveries in celestial mechanics and was referenced by European astronomers, including Copernicus. In medicine, Ibn Sina, Avicenna, wrote The Canon of Medicine, a comprehensive medical encyclopedia that was used in European universities for centuries. His work covered disease classification, treatments, surgical methods, and pharmaceutical principles that are still relevant in modern medicine. In optics, Ibn al-Haytham, Alhazen, revolutionized our understanding of vision. He disproved the Greek belief that the eye emits light and instead demonstrated that vision occurs when light enters the eye. His research on light refraction and the camera obscura concept eventually led to the development of modern cameras and optical lenses. Muslim scientists also made significant contributions to chemistry, physics, and engineering. Jabir ibn Hayyan, known as the father of chemistry, developed distillation techniques still used in medicine and perfume production today. The scientific approach pioneered by Muslim scholars, emphasizing experimentation, observation, and critical thinking, formed the basis of the modern scientific method. Part 4. Influence on the Western world. The contributions of Islamic civilization did not remain confined to the Muslim world. Through Muslim Spain, Al-Andalus, Sicily, and the Crusades, Islamic knowledge spread to Europe. Many European scholars traveled to Islamic universities to study under Muslim scholars. The works of Al-Khwarizmi, Ibn Sina, Alhazen, and others were translated into Latin and became fundamental texts in European education. These influences played a major role in the scientific revolution of the 16th and 17th centuries, which transformed the way knowledge was pursued and developed in the Western world. Without the advancements of the Islamic Golden Age, modern science, medicine, and technology might not have reached their current levels of sophistication. Conclusion. Islam was not just a faith. It was a civilization that nurtured a love for knowledge and scientific inquiry. Muslim scholars didn't merely preserve the works of the past, they expanded and improved upon them, laying the foundation for many aspects of modern science and mathematics. Their legacy lives on in the mathematical formulas we use, the medical practices that save lives, and the technology that powers our daily activities. The pursuit of knowledge, encouraged by Islam, continues to inspire new generations of scholars around the world. Without these contributions, the modern world would look very different. It is important to recognize and appreciate this intellectual heritage and continue seeking knowledge for the benefit of humanity. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed this content, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss an update from Taqwa Lens. See you in the next video.